I have helped a great many people in my life from the time of being a child till now. I have never, ever asked for anything in return from any person I have ever helped. Never. Matter of fact, today, one of my neighbors asked for help and asked how much it would cost for a reading. I said nothing, and I helped. Never has my generosity and my genuine love ever been called into question. I don't think there's a single person that I could ever talk to that could genuinely say that I am a selfish person, that I am not a genuinely loving person. And I have never in my entire life ever regretted helping a single person, no matter how many times I have been misused. Because I truly believe that every single person I have ever helped, whether it was received or not, helped me in some way. I learned something about myself or whatever it was that I helped with. Until recently, I, without expectation, reached out and helped somebody. And I have never felt this way before. I don't want to say that I regret helping, but the pain that has come from this particular connection is something that I am not familiar with. Never have I asked for anything. But everything I do is looked at under a microscope. When I help someone, it is solely for a genuine connection. A connection that I feel in my soul. People that reach out to me for help, or people that I reach out to, there's a reason. There's something that I feel in some way connecting me to that person. A very dear friend of mine started out as a sales pitch, not on my end, but on hers. There was a reason. To feel as though I am judged by others doesn't typically bother me. or when I feel as though I am being judged by someone that I genuinely just wanted to help. It makes me sad. When you learn how to read energy, sometimes it opens you up to things you didn't really want to know, you know? Like how people truly feel about you, which doesn't typically bother me because I see it all as insecurity, fear. But when my genuine nature which even the most cynical of people I've ever met have always recognized my genuine nature. When that is called into question, it hurts very deeply. Just understand this. The only thing that exists inside of this heart is love and the desire to help. Even when I have nothing, I give my everything. Because it isn't about me. It's about the person I see standing across from me. Because I see their pain in a way most people can't. And I understand that pain in a way that most people always overlook. I know what it's like to be completely disregarded by the world. I understand what it's like to be lonely. I understand what it's like to be tossed aside. I understand what it's like to have nothing. And I don't want anyone else to feel that way. Which is why I give my heart so freely. Especially to those that I can feel that pain in. The ones whose pain I feel. Cynicism can ruin genuine. Regardless of how many times my heart has been run over by a Mack truck, it continues to beat and pour out. And if you do not believe in my genuine nature, then you have no right to be in my life. If you cannot see me for who I am, why do I continue to explain myself? if you wish to see what I do through your filter of insecurity, that is your choice. I do not have to bear that insecurity for you. I will continue to do what I do. I will continue to find the truth, to speak the truth, to heal, to learn, to teach, to grow, to expand. That's what I'm here to do. And I will continue to love. Because love is infinite. Love is eternal. Love is the energy that flows through all of us. And when we learn how to tap into that frequency, there's no going back. Everything. Love is everything. And when you give out of love, there is no expectation. Just a hope for genuine connection. With someone that actually appreciates